So part of getting ready for the chimney breasts to come out was measuring the steels, making sure they understood how the chimney was built. And so while we weren't super excited about having people in the house at 8 a.m., I guess you just have to get used to these things when you're going into a busy period.
How's it going?
Yeah, good day.
I like this. Makes me think I need to get my laser level out and use it more.
Yep.
Yeah, so that whole bit all the way to the closet is coming out.
Yeah.
And I can't wait. Actually be able to put our bed in here and walk around the edge without like having 3 inches. It'll be good.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day in the neighbourhood. The sun is out, the birds are singing, and we've got an absolutely massive pile of floor tiles and skirting boards that is in no way going to fit in the house or through the door.
Oh, ye of little faith, we got this.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we can get the first look.
I mean, they don't look too crushed or anything, so.
First look doesn't work very well when they are wrapped in plastic.
Indeed. Alright, well. What happened? Gosh. That was a lot. I'm pooped. But I need to get a gym membership again.
Don't we all?
Yeah. Well, family flooring is at least inside the house. We won't be able to install it for, guessing, about 6 weeks. But we just wanted to get it ordered while we had the money to do it. So yeah, it's really chimney rests hopefully coming out next week. About 2 to 3 weeks for the IWI to go in. Then we can plaster, and then we probably need to let the plaster dry for a couple of days, and then we can start acclimating the bamboo to the rooms it's going to be in, and then after about 3 days we can actually install it. So it's just a process. We have to watch the moisture levels really careful in all the rooms, and yeah, we'll get into the technical faff of putting in bamboo flooring in a future episode. But today, I'm gonna go take a bath because I'm gross.
Right. Meanwhile, I've got the priorities.
Ha! Silly man. Not actually pictured. Me getting up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, tripping on basically nothing, losing my balance, and absolutely shattering the laundry basket with my butt. My butt is now very scratched up, and I don't have a laundry basket. So that was great fun. Nice way to start the day. We're going to swap the fan out for the 3rd time. It seems to be an acoustic issue, not the actual fan, because the one upstairs doesn't make anything like this sound. But yeah, that's too much.
Yeah.
I can zoom in on you. Yeah.
That is what's probably causing that to echo.
Okay.
I think.
I mean, we could try silicone, or I've got some of the like 3mm strips from the floor insulation.
Something like that, mate.
Yeah, let me.
Let me.
Do we just need to fill in around the pipe more then?
Yes.
I mean, I've got plenty of spray foam.
You have?
Yeah, I'll steal it from Andy.
I just talk myself.
Yep, that's fine.
That's when you actually yourself back at it.
I do the same. was talking to myself last night, and Andy kept being like, I can't hear you. I'm in the kitchen. I'm like, I'm not talking to you. I was just wondering what it would be like if things actually went right.
Horrible stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not great. But sometimes it has a purpose.
Yeah.
So messy.
Oh, it's horrendous.
Just reminds me of cheese in a can.
Cheese I can.
Oh yeah. It's all for the historical record. It's probably just thinking about what it's got to do with its life.
Kind of that fucking noise there.
Well, it's funny, it's louder, but it's not high pitch. Yeah, it's a bit rattly.
What is going on here, mate? Why is that making a noise? Oh dear. What's that there?
Yeah, the auto setting is quite good. Like the one upstairs in the bathroom, it just goes nuts first thing in the morning. Like, you know,
Yeah,
but
it detects the humidity.
yeah, exactly. So it, you know, just kicks right off, but then you can just kind of like feel it calm down after a wee bit.
You can get different brands as well that are completely like silent. I mean, these the type of brand are all tied to the Eco 4 stuff.
I mean, I don't mind a bit of white noise. Our neighbor's 87 and really enjoys TV.
Oh yeah.
So much TV. So yeah, like a gentle hum, we actually kind of appreciate because it blocks the outside world out a bit more.
Yeah.
It was just the high pitch sound was too much.
How's that sound with the cover on?
Much better. Much better.
I'll just try to make that learn a little bit more.
Would still be on like the auto setting then.
I mean,
So-
you can see me adjusting this.
Yeah.
So just pop it off. Pop it off.
Yeah, because I think if we can set like, I mean, that's so nice and quiet.
Yeah.
But I do want it to like be reactive.
That's it. It's just obviously it's always going to run like that, and then when you start the cooking,
Yep, exactly.
I'll just boost up.
Yep.
What's that hum like? You can hear it, can you?
I can hear it, but it's not hurting me at least. Where before it was pretty painful.
I think it's just these fans are always going to make a slight noise. Mm-hmm. You can get manufacturers who are completely silent.
Well, again, it's not the humming fan sound is fine. It was just when it was in that like really high register.
Yeah, I think that acousticness blocking this big void out here is definitely a difference.
Yeah. Well, we'll give it a few weeks and see how it does.
I mean, if you want to adjust it, you can. There's a bit up as well. Obviously, she was fan.
Yeah, cool. Thanks.
Do you want to take my number?
Part of being a good neighbor when doing retrofit is taking the neighbor's cakes when you're about to have a month of really, really noisy building works. Let's go make some deliveries. Well, it's been a few days since we've been recording because mainly we've just been cleaning the house up to get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow the chimney breasts start coming down. It's going to be a long couple of weeks, a bit longer than we were expecting, and then it'll be a couple of weeks of IWI, and then probably a couple of weeks of taking the current heating system out, putting a newer version in that will hopefully reflect into the room a bit better. So the next 6 to 8 weeks are going to be super messy. But we're also kind of relegated to the bedroom during that time because there'll be stuff going on in so many other rooms. So probably lots of garden work. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes over the next few days. But when I come home today, there should be a skip out there. Well, we've done about as much tidying in here as we can. So in the morning, it's all happening. Say goodbye to this chimney breast and pointless closet. And just a few things to get out of here. And sometime next week, this one will start coming down. So look forward to us living in the bedroom for about a month. Giggity. It'll be great. That's how you know it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The banging begins.
This is when the real fun begins.
Gonna peek. Oh, nice. Hi. Love that.
Excellent. It will make an excellent garden planter. Probably. Hopefully. Oh, so exciting.
Yeah.
Nice. And once again, we have a skip. So that's quite good. And get rid of a bit more stuff in here. Nice rainy day. So yeah, making a lot of progress upstairs. Yeah, it's going a bit faster than I expected. Good stuff. It's gonna be a long day. Making headway.
Oh, hello.
Hello. I thought I heard sort of dueling.
Huh?
I thought I heard the dueling
Well, I just said what it
chainsaws.
is. I've got to get the back boiler out and I'll ready
Yep.
for tomorrow. So
Of course.
I thought while he's up there, just can't go in down.
No, it's great.
I'm going to come because we've got all the pipe work that runs around. I'm just no good anymore, is it?
No, and actually that's something that we'd been talking about is we think all of that extra.
I've
Yeah.
already gone through it. I'm sure it's all
Awesome.
done. Which
Fabulous.
will be great because that gives you your flat seat.
So much better. See? I like you guys already.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, are they?
You're tearing my house apart.
Oh, exactly that. Mate, just be careful of that back wall.
So because these are all the old back boiler pipes, it means we can pull all of that out and all of that.
Very nice. Just gonna check on the video. Would you like to edit a 9-hour video? What could be more fun?
All the pipe work's gone now.
Or all the all the pipe work.
Gone.
Amazing.
Apparently it falls on me to do the first day wrap up in here, and apparently we're not doing the 2 seconds of footage every day time lapse like I was going to say, but nobody listens to me. Yes, there's a slight hole in here, and there's a slight hole in here. Yes, which had pipe work from some sort of heating. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. But it does solve the mystery if we go into the room all the stuff's in. But what was in this box in the dining room? Apparently nothing that can't have been torn out. Oh, apparently can't have been torn out of there either. So that makes life a bit easier when we do something with this door. Hopefully that's all Tanya wanted from me. I also maintain it was the height of pointlessness to paint the fireplace when this was coming.